Boys, after many years of encouragement, I have to thank you. I finally have myself a new truck. It's got plenty of features. 4 doors, 4 tires. It's even got a unicorn on the front. More importantly, it's what's inside the cabin. You'll see in the back, plenty of room for the children. More importantly, plenty of fun for the T-bros. Tuck that away. Without further ado, let's give this baby a test. Jack, can you help Daddy out? Grab that stool, Jack. Grab that stool. Perfect, right here. Hi, Jack. You're getting yourself a free ride. Oh yeah, boys. See you on the highway.